Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will learn our Desi programming language, which is Bhailang. So in the official website of the Bhailang, which is bhailang.js.org, you can see the description of Bhailang is written as a toy programming language written in the Typescript. So the Bhailang is written in the Typescript and it is a toy programming language. Actually, the developers of the Bhailang, who is Aniket, Singh and Rishabh, Tripathi, you can also check this out their GitHub account from this link. So they actually created or built this Bhailang as a joke, but who knows? After a few days, the Bhailang become popular or viral in the social media. And in the official website of the Bhai language, there's one playground section where you can actually write the original Bhai language code and also see the output of this code just like this. And we will cover each and everything about the Bhai language, that how to build the condition and how to build the loops inside the our Bhai language. So please watch the full video and please like this video, and let's start.
A few moments later.
So I am in the playground of the Bhai language website. So in the Bhai language code, the Bhailang code always starts with the hi bhai and ends with the bye bye. And inside the hi bhai and bye bye, our whole code of the and whole logic of our code is written. So always remember that we need to write the bye bye at the end of the code, and we need to write the hi bye of the starting of this code. So this is the starting point of our code, and this is the ending point of our code, and we can write anything or any Bhai language syntax inside them. So let's see how we can print the hello world from the Bhai language. So let's delete the each and every code. So for printing anything from the Bhai language, we need to write bol bhai, and inside the quotation or string we need to pass any string, just like we are passing hello world. So if I run this code, you can see there's output is written hello world. Just quickly zoom in a bit. Okay, I think this is cool. And also you can write anything just like uh, bol bhai, nice to meet you. And if you can run this code, you will see hello world and nice to meet you. So just like this, you can write anything or you can print anything inside our output or the console. So after seeing how to print something inside our output, so let's see how to declare one variable. So for declaring any variable, we need to write bhai ye hai and then the variable name like a b c d or something like this, and then you can write 10, or you can also define another variable bhai ye hai b, and also you can declare any string hello. So there's lots of types of the variables, just like in the documentation you can see there's lots of types of the variable, just like we have integers, and this is also the integer. We can also define the string with the help of the double quotation or the single quotation also. And some best thing about the some cool things about the Bhai language is that in the JavaScript we know that we have something called null value. So in the Bhai language, the null value is changes to the nulla. So this is actually a cool or funny thing. So null became nulla and the true false became sahi and galat. So I think this is one of the cool features. Just quickly define these three variables by ye hai, nulla, sahi and galat. So just write it bhai ye hai and c, which is the nulla. This is actually funny. Bhai ye hai d, which is sahi, and bhai ye hai e, which is galat. So this all are the variables types or the variables, and you can also print out these variables with the help of the bol bhai. Just like I am writing bol bhai a comma something strings like is the value of a. Okay, so if you run this code, you can see hello, nice to meet you, and 10 is the value of a. So just like you can also write anything, just like d, just giving one space. So let's see what we will print. So in our case the d is sahi, so 10 is the value of a and then sahi. So this is how you print the variables value. So I think this is fine. In the Bhai language you can also use the help of the comment. For the comment is similar to the C or C++ or the JavaScript, just like two slashes. So You can write anything just like nulla is equals to null, and this nulla will be in the small letters, and you can write anything just like sahi is equals to true and galat galat is equals to false. So this thing will be ignored by the compiler. So let's learn one time. You can see the similar type of output is there. So after seeing the how to use the comments and how to print the variables value, let's see how we can apply the condition, or how to use the similar type of kind of a thing of our if statement of our any programming language. So let's see how you can use or how you can implement the if statement inside our Bhai language. For implementing the condition in the Bhailang, we need to just write agar bhai, and then in the parenthesis we just need to provide the conditions. So just like I am providing if a is less than 20, and inside the curly braces I am just printing bol bhai a is less than 20, and in the semicolon also. Just run this code and see the output. You can see, so our in our code our is value is 10, so this condition is satisfied, and also the bool bhai is less than 2 is printed. So let's change our value to 10 to 30. Just see. So see the output now. Just run once again. Click on the run, and you can see after the 30 is the value of asahi, and there is nothing printed because this condition is did not satisfied. So agar bhai condition is failed, so that our if statement is not executed once again. And the most of the programming language we have something called if else statement after the if. So for the reference just write here if, and just like we have if else in the Bhailang, we also have nahi to bhai, and then just put any conditions just like if a is less than 10, then also put something print. So bol bhai a is less than 20. Okay, and this is similar to if else, or in the Python we have elif. Sorry, it will be else if. Okay, so nahi to bhai is similar to else if, and this is similar in the Python as elif. And also we have something called only else. So varna bhai is a representation of the else statement, and this will be execute anyways. So bol bhai a is, and this start wanted to printing the value of a, and this is similar to the only else statement. Okay, so let's run once again and see the output, then explain everything. So you can see there's printing a is 30, which is this statement, because in our code we changed our a's value to 30. So when this code comes here, so agar bhai a is less than 20, which does not satisfy because a's value is 30, so this statement is not executed, or this printed value is not executed, and it's came to here, and this is similar to the else if condition. So the else if condition which just like nahi to bhai a is less than 10, which is also wrong because our a is 30, so this statement is not executed also. And after that, after the else if condition we have one else statement. So in the else statement, which is all executed every time if these two condition is not satisfied. So you can see bol bhai a is a, the original value of a is will be printed. Oops, what we have done. Okay, so this print statement is executed. So this is how you build the conditions. So I'm just writing something that so let's write something as 20, just provide 15, and see the output. Run it once again. So you can see a is less than 20 is printing here, because the a is less than 20, this condition is satisfied, and so this bol bhai is executed. Okay, so this is how you executed the if statement or the condition. So I'm just writing condition. Okay, and this is the variable declaration, variables. Okay, this is the printing statement, do not need to write. Okay, so after condition statement or if else, let's go for the our loop. So inside our Bhai language we have something similar to our while loop in any languages that we have. So let's talk about the while loop of the Bhai language. In the Bhai language we have something like jab tak bhai. oops, it will be jab tak bhai, and it will be similar to our while loop. So jab tak bhai a is less than 30, just say jab tak a is less than 30, the code will be executed. So I'm just printing the value of a just of now, and also we need to increment the value of a. And if this statement can be also executed, and this is just like a is equals to a plus 1. If you know the C language, then you can easily understand this statement. So let's run this code once. So you can see initially our A's value was 15. So this condition is satisfied because 15 is less than 30, and the loop is executed, and in each of the time this bool bhai is printing the value of the A. So you can see in the output we have 15, 16, 17, 18 up to the 29, because when our A's value became 30, the code is not executed because our condition is not satisfied. Okay, so this is how you can build our similar type of thing just like our while loop we have. You can also put some conditions inside it, just like just copy and paste the similar code here. Just copy and paste, also indent it properly. Okay, so just run once again. You can see a is less than 20, and then 15, a is less than 20, 16, a is less than 20, and everything is less than 20. I just wanted to change some conditions, like inside here just need to 20 here, and inside I wanted to something like 25. Okay, so let's run now. So you can see after this statement we are printing the value of our a. So it is 15, 15 is less than 20, and this came up to the 20, and after it became 20, and 20 is less than 25. So this is how you can build the conditions about inside our while loop. So just also commenting the condition that loop. Okay, so we see lots of thing about the looping. So just for one thing, what will the Bhai language will print if something error will occur? Okay, just see it. So inside your first code, just I am missing one semicolon, just run it and you can see क्या कर रहा है तू unexpected token भाई है बोल भाई expected semicolon. You can see there is a funny output that अरे भाई 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 क्या कर रहा है तू. So this is how the Bhai language provide the error in the desi way. And also if this code runs smoothly or runs successfully, it will print Shandar Bhai. And also if the just suppose our loop will become our infinity loop. So for that I just need to delete this. So after if I run this program, so let's wait for some time. Our browser is get stuck because it's become infinity loop. And you can see without using the Shandar Bhai, now we have our bhai. And then our loop is executed so many times. Oh, this became so many lines executed. And when the the Bhai language sees that our code is became infinity loop, then it's printed at a bhai and provide one error. Okay, so this is how the Bhai language provide the errors. So we also see the how to comment the variables, how to and what is the variable types, and something built in use of bold Bhai, and also see the conditions, and also see the while loop or the looping function with the help of the jab tak bhai. So this is all about the Bhai language, and I wanted to thanks again to Ankit Singh and Rishabh Tripathi for building this huge and beautiful Bhai language. So this is actually funny. I actually like when it's giving some syntax error. अरे अरे भाई, oops, just run one. Okay, you can see this is actually funny. अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है तू? Unexpected token भाई ये है. So this is kind of a funny language. You can also build something cool. And I wanted to tell something that please write something funny with the help of the Bhai language from this bhailang.js.org website, and comment your code inside our comment section, and I will see which of the comment will be the best, or which of the comment or the code will be the funniest, and I will pin this comment and give it give a heart on each of the comments. I'm really looking forward to see something funny or see something funny code with the help of the Bhai language. Please comment your code, and also give a like in this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I actually started one React.js playlist inside my channel, so you can definitely check this out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.